All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a beautiful, beautiful song from Aurora. She does this with Nicole Zignago, and the song is called Dreams. All right, so Aurora, I followed her for a long time now. Think she's from Norway or so, not sure, but anyway, she has a huge fan base and she's very artistic, and I love that about her. Very cool song. So let's go into this Dreams. So we're gonna have no need for any capo here, and we have no need for chords in that sense as well, because we're gonna use grips. Of course, it's chords in the background there, but we're gonna use some patterns here for the picking. So no need for strumming, so therefore no chords. We're gonna go right into this playing here, and basically we have two different styles. We have the verse play and the chorus play, and that's it. So we're gonna start with the verse play. So you have the E minor chord. It's based upon the kind of E minor chord, and the grip looks like this. Okay, a little stretchy. I suggest you hold a little pinky on the fifth fret on D string, then your ring finger on the fourth fret G, and your index on the second fret B. So this will be the starting grip. So you're gonna play this, and this will be kind of a pattern you follow throughout the song, like a pyramid pattern. You go down and you go up again, okay? So you're gonna play now the open E string in the bass, then fifth D, fourth G, second B, back to fourth G, and fifth D. So that is what I mean by the pyramid. You go down and you go up. That's the first half of this E minor based pattern. And then the second half goes like this. So now you slide in with your index finger to the third fret B string and keep the rest the same. So you have this grip now, or if you want, you can just release it and use your mid finger for this third fret B string. I think it's easier for your hand to just slide in like this, okay? So the second half will be to play open E string in the bass together with this third B, then fourth G, and fifth D. And then you play again, third B, fourth G, and fifth D. And that's the E minor parts. So slowly like this. Okay. Then you go into the B minor part. So what you do now is to place your index finger on the second fret, and you have a little bar there, and you push down the 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you start with this 4th fret D and 4th fret G. I hold that with my ring finger and my little pinky, and I'm gonna add on this with my mid finger soon, but this is the starting grip. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so you play now the second fret A, 4th D, 4th G, 2nd B, 4th G, and 4th D. Okay, and then the second half will be to play second A together with third B, which you added now, and then you continue with 4th G, 4th D, and then again 3rd B, 4th G, and 4th D. Okay, so that is. Then you hold a regular A chord, and that is to play 2nd D, 2nd G, and 2nd B. Hold that as a grip. And you play one pyramid for 2 times. So that is to play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, back to 2nd G, and 2nd D for 2 times. And finally, you're gonna end this verse with a G-ish chord, and the grip now will be to hold 3rd fret on E string in the bass and 2nd fret G string. And you're gonna play one pattern again for 2 rounds, a pyramid. It goes like this. Okay, so that is to play 3rd E, open D, 2nd G, open B, back to second G, and open D for 2 rounds. And that is the verse play. So I'm going to take you through this slowly so you really can listen for it. Let's go. Beautiful. Rolls like that for the verse, and now we're gonna learn the chorus play. It's based almost on the same chords, a little bit different grips now, but yeah, the bass is pretty much the same. We're gonna start with the E minor again, and now the grip is a little bit reminds me of the other grip, but still not. You're gonna have the little pinky on the 5th D again, then you have your index finger on the 2nd G, and your mid finger on the 3rd B. Okay, you're gonna play this for 2 rounds. So, okay, so you play open E string in the bass, 5th D, 2nd G, 3rd B, back to 2nd G, and 5th D. Like I said, for 2 rounds. So. Then we have the B minor part. You hold the B minor chord as it is. So again, still this 2nd fret barred, 5 strings if you count from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. This is the B minor grip, and you roll that for 2 rounds. So we're gonna go through it again. It's the 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B, 4th G, and 4th D for 2 rounds. Then we have this A-C chord. So the starting point is this, okay? So you have the bar on the 2nd fret, and you actually can keep that from this last chord. You play the B minor, but what I would do when I go from B minor, I will take down the bar 1 string. So we're gonna release that A string. You have bar just on the first 4 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and then you add the 4th fret A string. That is the new grip here for the A-C chord. So from this, you slide down and go to this, okay? And then you're ready for it. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with this 4th fret A string, then 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, back to 2nd G, and 2nd D, okay? And the second half is to play the open A string as the new bass, and just play the pattern in the same way. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. So you have the open bass now, and that's the reason for us when you have the B minor to go down with the bar 1 string and add this 4th fret A string to start with, because we want this to be open in the next time, okay? So B minor, then the A-C, and open A, okay? And as soon as you play that A-C chord, you go into the G, and you play that in the very same way as you played it for the verse. 2 rounds of that, and it goes. And that's the end of the chorus. So I'm gonna play through one slow round of the chorus as well, so you understand what's going on here. So let's go. There you have it. Okay, so you have now the chorus play as well, and I thought I could play this for you, 1 round of the verse play and then 1 round in the chorus, and take up the tempo to somewhat of a standard. So let's go. And that, my friends, is how you handle Aurora's Dreams together with Zignago. Beautiful song, guys. And if you really want to kind of take your picking pattern to the next level, this is not a starting point, but it could be the next level where you kind of get this little bit stretchy grips and still practice with a pretty easy common pattern when it comes to the picking hand. Go pyramid down and up and back again. So a great song to practice, and generally just a great song as well to listen. So why not give this a shot? I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Guitar. Thanks you for watching, and until next time, play tuned.